get yourself either a Dremel, a sander, anything you could use. Basically, it's gonna take some time. It's not gonna be a quick little thing. So take your time with it. Prep your areas. Make sure you mask everything correctly where you don't want to be painted. Like right here, for example, I don't think I'm gonna want to paint the top thing right here. Along with right here, I might just leave this taped up, masked up. What else? Yeah. And that section, we'll finish off with the bottom. From this section to that section, and then you guys will see the middle. And then at the end, you guys will see the whole complete process. Alright, so that side's all done up. Time to do the middle. And then lastly, I'll do this side and then the back doors.